तो मैंने तुमसे इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछा था अबाउट योर लव कन्फेशंस, द क्रेजीएस्ट थिंग जो तुमने या तुम्हारे फ्रेंड ने किया अपने बॉयफ्रेंड, गर्लफ्रेंड या फिर क्रश के साथ। एंड कुछ तो काफी ज्यादा होलसम थे एंड कुछ स्ट्रेट अप इलीगल। एंड क्या पता कुछ स्टोरी से तुम्हें भी रिलेट हो, जैसे कि ये। When I was in 9th grade, I used to date a guy who was twice my age. When I was 14, he was 29. He was my neighbor. Then he went back to his hometown. His friend called me and told me he was married. Fucking pedophile! अगर वो मैरिड नहीं होता तब भी वो पीडीएफ फाइल ही होता। So I called his wife and told his wife about him and I am pregnant. But I was not. I lied to her. I don't think इससे तुम्हें रिलेट होगा। But हाँ, मेरे पास ये tier list भी है। So cute. ठीक है। Hold up. What the fuck? This cannot be legal. And ये वाला जाता है इधर। Whipped cream said, I tried manifesting this one guy using love letters. They were basically addressed to me, written by him. And my mom saw that. And she kept asking me and I lied that some guy is obsessed with me. The letter said, I want you to have my babies. तो दीदी ने खुद को लेटर लिखे उसकी तरफ से एंड उसमें लिखा I want you to have my babies. You got some issues. मम्मी देख के बोलती होगी मेरी बेटी पढ़ाई कर रही है, बट बेटी तो
I want you to have my babies.
एंड ये जाता है या मुझे लगा ये लड़की वियर्ड थी, बट देन आई सॉ दिस। आई सेंट हिम दिस टिल ही क्रिएट्स अ डेंट इन माय यू टिल माय लिप्स डिफॉर्म टिल माय is in the shape of his tip till the bed breaks and we continue on the floor and the floor breaks and we continue on the ground and the ground breaks and we continue till we reach bedrock. क्या अभी हो रहा है? Till the epidermis of my skin tear till the whole neighborhood knows what our names are till the entire neighborhood smells like an aquarium and looks like a shore with only sea foam till we sent into an asylum and we resume our sessions there till the psychiatrist gives up and watches us in defeat till I get pregnant and give birth while still doing him what the fuck till we get old and musty till he gives me the last crust on his last breath and I take his last bow. Honestly मेरे पास कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है, बट चैट जीपीटी के पास होंगे। Honestly the dude probably read the first 2 lines, felt his soul leave his body and just hit block on instant. Would you want a girl like this? That's not a girlfriend, that's a natural disaster. I proposed to my junior and tried to get touchy with her, most closest that I ever could get to a girl. I don't think तुम इनसे relate कर पाओगे. And then this guy said, touching you, having a great night, getting freaky. Understandable. And ऊपर लिख रखा है love confessions, but he decided to say, I tried to suck my own in a bathroom. मैं imagine क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Let's be honest. It's PMO thinking I have had TS, but honestly I hit it on my mom's friend husband. He's freaking hot and honestly I liked him. अब मुझे क्राइम पेट्रोल और कुछ वेबसाइट की स्टोरी पे भरोसा होने लगा. And we got another what the fuck Bombardilo Crocodilo said on Independence Day my crush was a part of some goofy dance, so I clicked a pic of my crush through my friend's phone and after some days I and my friend had a fight, so that MF spread the entire pic in the whole class. Then some senior slapped my cheeks. What cheeks? And her BF also clapped my cheeks. What cheeks? After 5 days she broke up with her boyfriend and her boyfriend apologized to me and we then kissed each other, her boyfriend and me. I guess we have the answer. कौन से cheeks clap हो रहे थे? And then this Didi said he proposed her on Raksha Bandhan. Already weird है. After she tied Rakhi on his wrist. What the fuck? अभी इससे भी बुरा होने वाला. Bro was 22, his brother was in jail and the girl was 14. They did break up after months. Thank God. भाई what the fuck क्या चल रहा है ये? मेरे को अभी से ये वीडियो बनाने का रिग्रेट हो रहा है. And then जस्सी भाई said I am a PDF file. एक सेकंड, कहीं यही तो नहीं जिसने रक्षाबंधन पे प्रपोज किया था? इससे बुरा क्या ही होगा एक लव कन्फेशन में. But then Priyanshi said, let me cook. When I was about 6 or 7, my dad's best friend was a total creep. He straight up said that he loved me and my body. एक 6 साल का बच्चा ऐसा दिखता है, उसको ऐसा कोई क्यों बोलेगा? क्यों? I thought काफी प्यारी प्यारी होलसम सी चीजें मिलेंगी, बट अभी तक इस टीयर में एक भी नहीं है और इसमें तक नहीं है. बट टेंशन नॉट, अब मैं तुम्हें प्यारे प्यारे कन्फेशन ढूंढ के दिखाऊंगा. And I finally found one. fun. We used to hug and cuddle before we started dating, and I thought it's normal because friends do kiss each other on the cheeks and cuddle, right? No, they don't. Unless तुम homies को good night kiss ही दे रहे हो. Then I started developing a crush on him. मुझे लगा मैं उसके लिए ज्यादा बड़ी हूँ. He's 2 years younger than me. फिर मैंने एक दिन सोचा, fuck it, I'm gonna confess. I said, I never loved someone like him, and even if he breaks our friendship, I just want him to know that I really care about him and want him to succeed. फिर वो दल्ला मेरे साथ रोने लगा. Now we are dating for almost 2 years. That is actually very sweet. And मैं भी रो रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आज तक किसी ने नहीं बोला that I care about you. But then I found this. Confessing to you anonymously because you won't reply or like me back. If I said it in DM, okay, I give up. I was trying to act normal, but it's just not working anymore. I like you. And no, not just in a casual, oh, he's cool way, but in an I really smile at my phone like an idiot when you post kind of way. It's actually getting concerning at this point. Your humor, your voice, a little cheat code, your eyes, a whole problem. I was normal, functioning human before I found your content. And now I'm just helpless victim of your existence. You have taken over my brain, and at this point I should be paying rent to live in my own head because you're occupying all the space. So this is me confessing like a fool. I have no idea what you will do with this information, but if you ever wonder why a random person on the internet is too invested in your existence, yeah, that's me. मैं इतना ऑटिस्टिक हूँ कि मुझे लगा वीडियो के थ्रू किसी और को कन्फेस करा है, बट ये मेरे लिए था. मैं रो दूंगा भाई, इतनी प्यारी चीजें कौन लिखता है? I got a friend who faked cancer to get a girl, and it worked like a bomb. He was at it for 7 months and then he lost interest. He was shifting to Bangalore. So then me and the gang told the girl that he died, and she still has not made a boyfriend ever since because she thought true love only comes once. This has to be fake. There is no way ये real है. और अगर ये real है तो तेल में फ्राई होने के लिए रेडी रहो. अब मेरा खेल खत्म है. I understand अविनाश भाई, मेरा भी. Gooning plus edging live. मेरे को इस पे क्यों ऐसी यार? Another Bombardiro Crocodilo. Bro, my GF texted me with her sister's account because she didn't have her mobile because of boards. After that, me and her cousin started talking and we are in a relationship. भाई, teach us your methods. And दीपक भाई का कहना है, उसने बोला कि मैं तुम्हें अपना बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना सकती हूँ, पर उसके ऑलरेडी 4 बॉय बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे. प्लीज प्लीज भाग जा मेरे भाई, प्लीज. उसने आज तक मेरी तरफ देखा भी नहीं, बट मैं उसको बहुत पसंद करता हूँ क्योंकि वो बहुत मासूम है और भोली भी. प्यार अंधा होता है. I got touched inappropriately by one दीदी which I used to play घर घर with. Only thing जो सारे लड़कों ने बोली है,
It should have been me, not him!
It had been 2 months. We didn't meet each other, so I jokingly asked him to come at my house. We both have strict parents. I was alone at my home and my mom went out. I booked a cab for him and he came here. I called my mom and said my friend was here to take notes. She was okay with it. We had our moments. We heard a knock, both of us got dead scared. It was my mom. He said that he would get going now. My mom said, keep coming beta. I was like, oh, we have been together for almost 3 years now and our parents still don't know. That is actually very cute and I don't wish कि तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा को पता चल जाए. And now, तैयार हो जाओ अपनी जिंदगी के सबसे गंदे कन्फेशन सुनने के लिए. Sucked my on thinking about her. उसके घर जाके सोया, वहाँ उसकी अंडरवेयर दिख गई. उसे घर ले जाकर वही पहन के मार दी. Took her ID card and beat to it during night. Took her erasers left over and made it a paste and kept smelling it all night while और सुनना है तो एक और बार फॉर्म डाल. नहीं प्लीज, इसको खुला किसने छोड़ रखा है? प्लीज इसको बांध के रखो. ये जी. I was scrolling and I was in 9th class. मुझे लेस्बियन और गे का मतलब नहीं पता था. मुझे एक लड़की की फॉलो रिक्वेस्ट आई. I accepted it and both of us became close friends. रोज 2-2 घंटे बात करते थे. जब मम्मी घर पर ना हो कॉल करते थे. But one day we were having normal convo. She turned on vanish mode and started saying stuff like, hey, I love you, I am lesbian. Okay, so this was not enough. She told me to and do role play with her. She find me hot and cute, and that's not enough. She told me the exact sentence. My slave chal pant. पक्का ये वाली आंटी होगी. And now the most fucked up चीज जो तुम इस वीडियो में सुनने वाले हो. There was a 23-year-old guy in a relationship with a अभी और गंदा होने वाला है. But one day his girlfriend found a few hickeys on his neck. She asked him where they came from, but obviously he didn't tell her. Wait a second. उसकी girlfriend भी थी and he got hickeys from a and अभी और बुरा होने वाला है. Later someone found out that he was in a sexual sort of relationship with his own mom. Okay, नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, ये रियल नहीं. प्लीज ये रियल कह दो ये रियल प्लीज. एंड फाइनली इट्स टाइम फॉर माई कन्फेशन. मेरी लाइफ काफी नॉर्मल थी, ये फक्ड अप चीजें मत एक्सपेक्ट करना. मैं तुम्हें अपनी पूरी लव लाइफ ही बता देता. तो 6th क्लास में आई हैड माई फर्स्ट क्रश. वो 8th में थी एंड देन मैं 6th से 8th में आ गया था. बट क्या मेरी क्रश चेंज हुई? क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता था. एंड अब मैं कॉलेज में आ चुका हूँ एंड कॉलेज में आने के बाद मेरे को कोई लड़की. या दैट वाज माय लव लाइफ. और हाँ, अगर तुम्हें ये वीडियो देख के ट्रॉमाटाइज्ड, हैप्पी, सैड कुछ भी फील हुआ है तो कमेंट करो 5 ड्रूलिंग इमोजीज, जिससे मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि तुमने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा है. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. अगला प्रोजेक्ट थोड़ा बड़ा है, मैं उस पर काम कर रहा हूँ, जल्दी आने वाला है. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय. एंड स्टॉप ऑल दिस चंटी भाई. ये टोपी है जिसको मैंने ऐसे चेक करके